Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna talk about how I pack for my long overlanding trips on my motorcycle. Right away. So a lot of people ask me that how much do we carry, and I see a lot of bikers carrying huge amount of stuff. So we're gonna divide this entire video into 4 parts. First is camping, second is my clothing, the third would be my toolkit and my first aid kit, and the fourth would be what all do I carry in my camera gear, and also how I set up my tank bag, all my clothing. It's all I can carry. I mean, that's my lightest setup, and even irrespective I'm traveling for 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 28 days or 2 months, that's all I'm ever gonna carry. I'm just gonna go one by one very quickly. Boom! You see, it's a lot of stuff. So just keep everything aside. The first thing, this is the way I pack it. I always carry IKEA Ziploc bags. So this is a puff jacket. You see this? This is gonna keep me warm from 5 degree to minus 5 degree if I layer things up nicely, which I'm gonna tell you how to do that very quickly. So that's my upper layer. This is a merino wool inner wicking warmer. So this is gonna keep me well protected 8 degrees to 2 degrees. So this layered up with this is minus 5 degrees. Sometimes if it's too cold, I can also wear this below my motorcycle jacket. So it's really helpful. Then I have warmer, which is a lower warmer especially, and this is really helpful for me because sometimes I can wear this below my riding pant. So that's one. Then I have a normal pant, especially when I am taking off my motorcycle pant. I don't want to be running naked here and there. So ये केचुआ का पैंट है, ये मुझे काफ़ी help करता है. I carry a cap, sometimes it gets cold, so why not? I carry a shorts. This is the boxer just in case I have to go swimming, though I don't know how to swim, but just in case अगर मुझे करना हुआ तो. This is a simple t-shirt just in case. 2 gloves, 1 long football warmer socks. I know this is too much, but sometimes when it's freezing cold it really helps me. So these few things, 1 pair of extra socks which are wicking, so help me, and 2 set of underwears and 1 neck warmer. That's all. And especially for toiletries, 1 toothbrush, 1 small toothpaste which I normally buy when I start my journey, and this is a shower gel / shampoo / face wash, and sometimes I use this to even clean my visor on my helmet. So that's all, and I'm going to show you how small this entire setup would be. So the reason I carry this Ziploc pouch is that it compresses a lot of stuff and it squeezes the air out, so it's really space saving. So put the first layer, so all this thing going inside. And that's all for my clothing setup. Let's go on to our next setup. Bye bye. My motorcycle main bag, which is this, I think some brand called Viaterra Claw. This is my main bag, but this Viaterra Claw bag doesn't carry my clothing. It just carries my camping, my food, my tools, my first aid, my food, and also my main camera. First is a 2-man tent. It's the most cheapest one that I could buy and afford from Decathlon Quechua. This packet, again, lot of Ziploc bags. I carry my food. I know, lot of plastic, but that's all my food item. I always carry as much soups as possible. This 1 10 rupee soup is 1 meal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost like 8 soup packets. So there's 8 night over here. Some Maggi, all this thing. I keep refilling my bag once they're over, but this entire package can last me almost 30 nights. Coffee, and because I am lactose intolerant, so I carry some milk powder. This is a soya milk powder, and this entire thing can last me a month. My sleeping bag is my sleeping mat, pretty comfortable. This can go all the way down till 5 degree. Going next, this is my chef deal. This is my entire cooking setup. I have everything inside this. I always keep a small scrubber inside it just to wash off all the residue after cooking. I don't carry a liquid dishwashing soap. I find soil sometime, I mean just mud, and this is perfectly fine. This, I carry my cup, a small gas, a butane gas. This is gonna last me, if I cook one meal every day, this is gonna last me almost 26 days exactly. I tried it out. This is a small gas. You see this? Yippee, this is so cute. This is small and this fits on top of it. One plate always, and that's all about it. Yeah, one pillow. Small luxuries that I can afford. Some cutlery tool. This is one of my favorite because it has fork, it has knife, and it has a beer bottle opener just in case. I think that's all I have, guys. Yeah, especially for the rides, I carry some protein bars, some chocolates. I'm gonna refill this thing before I go, so I have like 10 to 15 protein bars because this can serve as a breakfast every day. I carry lots of Ziploc bags. So now coming to my toolkit, this is gonna be the most important. This is a very small, it doesn't look like a medical pouch, but this is a medical pouch. It has all essential things that I would need. I have a syringe also, especially just in case. It happened to me once. I mean, I was not on a motorcycle, but I was in Ladakh and I saw two bikers crash badly in front of me, and thank God I had all those basic elements that I needed to do. And I did a very small course 5 years back on basic first aid, so this small pouch is a lifesaver for me. Always carry, and this also goes in my main bag. Now comes to this is the most heaviest bag in my entire biking setup. Heaviest because this is my toolkit. 2 wrench, perfect size for this ride, which is gonna be on my Xpulse 200. So this can open the tires. I don't know what you call it, a ratchet, and all screws over here. If you see this, so it has 6, 7, 8, 14. Some Allen keys, everything inside this in a pouch, and this is all I need. You should do it. This is an extender just in case. I love that sound. Ooh, that is something. I love that sound. I mean, I think I just carry this for the sound. I have one WD-40 and I have one chain spray. I carry an M-Seal. This also has extra key. I'm not gonna keep it in my pouch anymore because now you guys know it. I carry, you see, only the end because in this I have all the screwdrivers that I need. Only multi-tool kit, so it has a saw, a lot of things, surgical gloves just in case if I have to do certain things on my bike, my hand doesn't go dry. Zip ties, which are real nice. Some M-Seal just in case if I have a broken hose or certain things like that, and that's all I carry in my toolkit. This is my tank bag, Dirt Sack Boomerang, and the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is that I always keep a white small writing board on top of the map area so that I can write and memorize things on the go. So first thing first, I have my GoPro. This is my extra GoPro that I carry. Mask, very important. Power bank, always to charge my gear. This I will just come in sometime. This is the magic carpet, I'll show you. An extra knife. This is a sunscreen, hand sanitizer. Oh, this is fancy. This is a comb, just in case you don't have to. Portable is the key. I carry some notebook, some sticky notes, and this sticky note also I stick motorcycle visor, tank bag, just to remind me of few things. I always forget a lot of things when I am on the road. So I use a foam just to give cushion to everything that I carry, and this has all my charging gears. This is a GoPro charger, Canon M50 charger. This is a power bank, all my cables, extra mic in this, an extra mic just in case my main mic breaks off. So I always carry a Canon M50 with me. This is my main camera, especially when I need light setup, and this is my mic. I don't carry any bigger mic. This works perfectly for me. All I need for my entire vlogging setup. The kit lens, this is 15 to 45 and it does everything for me. I carry a variable ND filter on top of this, so that if it's bright, if it's light, if it's dark, whatsoever, I can manage my exposure to the perfect sense. And now for the time for the magic card. This is that I can just, and this thing entirely goes inside my tank bag. So if I have to take things out, it's pretty easy. I just wrap it up, bring it up. Hi guys, this is Sayan, and that's the scene behind me. That's as simple as that. Mic goes inside, and that's all for my camera setup, guys. This is all I carry. Yeah, that's all about it. This entire setup weighs around exactly 9.6 kilos. This can run me off for an entire month. I just wash my clothes, I rebuy my food supplies, I carry a lot of memory card. And yes, for people who are asking me regarding do I carry a laptop, a bike trip for more than 20 days, I will carry my MacBook Pro, but anything less than 20, I won't carry a MacBook Pro, because chances are, just in case if I fall, the MacBook might just suffer. I carry a hard disk with me, a portable hard disk of 2 terabyte and a lot of memory card. So my Canon M50 would have 4 memory card of 128 GB. My GoPro will have 3 memory card of 128 GB, and if just in case if I'm carrying my drone, then it will have a 64 GB memory card. So that's a lot of space, plus a 2 terabyte hard disk. So I can stop in any major cities, can just put up on Instagram asking someone to help me out for 30 minutes with their laptop, so I can transfer all my stuff. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you think this was really helpful, then I always encourage everyone that carry less, because it's really helpful, because your mind is also working in a better sense, because you don't have to look for 10,000 things. You don't have to wake up in the morning and use bungee cords to tie up all your gears. It's a 5-minute entire setup that I can do. Irrespective it's super cold or it's super hot, it doesn't matter to me. My gears are good enough. Carry only the essentials. I'll see you next time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ta-da!